Welcome to our channel, where we uncover the secrets of making money online through the incredible world of YouTube. Are you ready to embark on a journey that combines creativity, cutting-edge technology, and financial success? If so, you're in the right place. In today's fast-paced digital era, YouTube has emerged as a powerful platform that not only allows us to express ourselves but also presents countless opportunities to generate substantial income. And guess what? We've cracked the code to maximize your earnings using the revolutionary power of AI tools. Are you intrigued by the idea of making an impressive $10,000 per month on YouTube? Well, you're in for a treat. Our channel is dedicated to sharing a simple and effective 5-step process that leverages the magic of artificial intelligence to take your YouTube game to the next level. From understanding the dynamics of YouTube's algorithms to employing AI tools that optimize your content and boost engagement, we've got you covered. No more guesswork or trial and error. We'll walk you through the proven strategies that can turn your passion for creating videos into a thriving online business. Whether you're a seasoned content creator looking to enhance your earnings or a newcomer eager to dive into the world of YouTube, our channel offers valuable insights, step-by-step tutorials, and practical tips to help you succeed. So, if you're ready to unleash the full potential of YouTube and AI, hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals on this exhilarating adventure. Remember, your success on YouTube is just a few clicks away. Let's embark on this exciting journey together as we unlock the doors to a lucrative future with the power of AI and YouTube. Let's see how we can make money by creating YouTube content with the help AI tools available. Welcome, fellow content creators. Are you tired of working long hours for little pay? Do you want to turn your passion into a profitable career? Look no further than YouTube. With over 2 billion monthly active users, YouTube is the perfect platform to showcase your talents and earn money doing what you love. Whether you're a makeup artist, gamer, or comedian, there's a niche for everyone on YouTube. So let's dive in and discover how you can make money on this amazing platform. So let's dive into the first step. Choosing a niche for your YouTube channel is crucial to standing out from the crowd. By focusing on a specific topic, you can establish yourself as an expert in that area and attract a loyal audience. But how do you choose a niche? Start by researching popular niches and identifying potential topics that interest you. Look at what other successful YouTubers are doing, but don't be afraid to put your own unique spin on things. Remember, your niche should be something you're passionate about and can create content around consistently. Most people don't know this, but Google actually has a niche learning page that shows you trending niche/videos. We will walk you through the niche learning page where you can find the list of trending niches. Here you can find the specific trending topic for your YouTube content. Now let's jump into second step about setting up YouTube channel. In the second step you can create your channel logo and banner. Once you've named your new YouTube channel, then you can create the logo and banner that suits your channel. You can use free AI tools like Logo AI and MS Designer to create logos easily. Here using Logo AI you can get list of logos and you pick the suitable one, or you can generate more logos using other AI tools. Now we jump into another step to create YouTube content with the help of AI tools. Let's see how we can create content using ChatGPT AI tool. Creating high-quality content is crucial to building a successful YouTube channel. Not only does it help you stand out from the competition, but it also keeps your audience engaged and coming back for more. To improve your video and audio quality, consider investing in a good camera and microphone. You can also experiment with lighting and editing techniques to make your videos look more professional. Additionally, developing a consistent brand image, such as using the same color scheme or logo, can help viewers recognize and remember your channel. To create content for your YouTube videos, you can use AI tool ChatGPT. We will show how to use ChatGPT to create content. You can ask ChatGPT to create a content for your YouTube videos mentions weeks like we are showing in the video. Once you have a schedule of videos, you can use AI tool ChatGPT to generate the full script for your videos. Follow the steps we have explained in the video. Now let's dive into another step. Follow the same procedure we have explained in the video to create YouTube content with titles, summary, etc. ChatGPT gives us the total schedule as we request. Similarly, we have several AI tools which can create presentations and meeting notes and more for YouTube content. We can unitize those. Now let's discuss about another step. Now that you have your full video scripts, and now you can generate the videos using Flik.ai or by hiring voice actors/video editors on sites like Fiverr or Upwork. Repeat this work to make multiple channels over different niches. Fleeky AI is one of the most popular, where we can edit videos and hire audios for YouTube content. It is very useful AI tool for YouTube content. Using these AI tools or other videos editors, you can publish your videos after modifying them as per the audience interest. That's all about creating video content. Now let's jump into the final one. Once you've built a solid following on your YouTube channel, it's time to start monetizing your content and turning those views into revenue. There are several ways to make money on YouTube, including advertising revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Advertising revenue is the most common way to earn money on YouTube. You can enable ads on your videos and earn a percentage of the revenue generated by those ads. Sponsorships are another great way to monetize your channel. Brands will pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. Finally, you can sell merchandise related to your channel, such as t-shirts or mugs, to your fans. Thank you for joining us on this incredible YouTube and AI adventure. Remember, success is within your reach. Keep creating, innovating, and implementing our proven strategies. Together, we'll achieve financial freedom and make your dreams a reality. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting content.